The first step is going to be to take our givens and rewrite them horizontally, and then write what you're going to prove down here. So go ahead and do that and hit the pause button. The next step is to look at your givens and mark up the diagram, and also look at the diagram to see if you can find anything that's true just looking at the diagram. So go ahead and do that, and then also try to think of what your method's going to be to prove the triangle's congruent. So do all of that, hit the pause button, and then I'll show you my solution. So now I'm going to show you my solution. So basically this is BC is congruent to CD, so I want to mark that up. So BC is congruent to CD. Also, AC bisects BCD, so it cuts it in half. And what is it cutting in half? An angle. So this angle, BCD, is getting cut in half, which means these two angles are going to be congruent. So I'm going to mark those up as well. Now, I only have 2 pieces of information. I need 3 to make the triangles congruent. So I notice that this side is common to both triangles. So I'll mark that up. And then mentally I'll think, okay, I have a side, an angle, side, side, angle, side. So my method is going to be side, angle, side. Okay. Sorry, it's very hard to use this, the mouse to draw with, but basically I already have a side here. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. AC is congruent to AC is the common side. So again, that is my another side. Now all I'm missing is the angle. And what I can do is AC bisects BCD. So angle BCA is congruent to DCA. So this should be actually A here. Let me just rewrite that. So this should be BCA. Okay, and therefore I now have my angle and I'm done. So basically, again, remember, if you have 3 things here, you need an arrow for each one: a side, the angle, and the side.